Hi, welcome everyone. Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to all. This is the video on Dr. Ismadi and Sabariah Mansour case study. Okay, there will be a series of videos to help you in constructing the financial plan, covering all the scopes under the Islamic financial plan. In this part 1 of the series, we will highlight the material facts, especially in constructing the cash flow and net worth statement. As you can see in the first paragraph, stated that they ask about the roles and responsibilities of a planner, as well as the differences between the Islamic and conventional financial planning. So these two are a major concept that you must be able to explain. And I would say that these two are considered as must-know material. Okay, I already highlighted a few facts that are important in the constructing of cash flow and net worth statement. So first, Ismadi has been supporting his parent, not her parent, and contribute the 500 ringgit per month to his parent. So this 500 ringgit should be added to in the cash flow as expenses. However, the 7,000 ringgit as medical treatment to treat the Qasim Selamat eyes must not be added to the cash flow since this is one-off and not recurring. So this will be treated as relief in tax and zakat calculation later. Okay, next is the information on salary, allowances and bonus. So these figures must be added into the cash inflow or income of the couple, and then the EPF deduction must be put as less. So we calculate 11% times with the sum of salary, allowances and bonuses, while the EPF balance considered as asset in the net worth statement. Okay, the yearly bonus is calculated from the number of month salary. For tax through PCB and zakat through salary deduction, it must be treated as less in the cash inflow of the cash flow statement. Um, However, for the takaful contribution, the monthly takaful contribution, and also the annual medical contribution must be treated as expenses in the cash flow statement. The cash value of the takaful plan is considered as asset in the net worth statement. Okay, for info of the home, there are three things you need to find out. One is the current value, second is the monthly installment, and then the third one is outstanding balance. For the current value, normally it is mentioned in the case. We just plug into asset in the net worth. If you categorize the asset into personal and the investment asset, so normally residential home will be the personal asset, while the second and third home will be the investment asset. For the monthly installment and the outstanding balance, you need to find out by calculation of CMPD and AMRD. And for cost, if the current value is not mentioned in the case, then you have to do a little bit of calculation based on the purchase price minus out the depreciation value. Depreciation value is based on the depreciation rate, and you can check the depreciation rate at the back of the assumption at the back of the case. Normally it's about 15% per year. The expenses of the cars are mentioned in the table. You need to just copy paste in your expenses of your cash flow statement. For ASB investment, you know that it is permissible. However, there is a room to cleanse the dividend of the ASB, and we will cover that in the next class. Okay, the assets are listed in the table. You need to copy paste to your asset in your net worth statement. Most of the assets are investment asset except for jewelry gold. Jewelry gold seems to be a personal asset as compared to gold bar. Gold bar is an investment asset. You also need to identify whether the assets are Sharia compliant or not. There will be one column on the right hand side from the list, whether the assets are Sharia compliant or not. So in the paragraph I mentioned which the asset is not Sharia compliant. For cleansing of the non-Sharia compliant asset, we will be covering that in the next class. Next is the expenses of the couple given in the list. You need to copy paste in your expenses of the cash flow statement. Some in monthly and some in yearly. So if in monthly you have to make it in yearly, and then we have to add up sum up the yearly expenses of the couple later. Okay, next is the information on the credit card outstanding balance of the couple. So this will be the liabilities of the couple to be listed in the net worth statement. Beside beside credit card, there will be tax due, zakat due, outstanding balance of cars and home. However, for this exercise, the tax due and zakat due will not be available yet. For other information like retirement, the Hajj, and estate planning, we will cover that in the following class, in day 5 and day 6. Okay, finally the list of assumptions. So the data and the assumption will be used as the basis of the calculation. For example, inflation rate, EPF dividend, return on equity investment, and other investment like GIA Modarabah. So this will be the basis to calculate your saving and current account. So normally the saving and current account is half of the GIA Modarabah return, which is what 1.5% each. For as for zakat nisab, the price the value is based on the price of gold, and for the gold jewelry for Muslim women based on Buruf is about 800 gram. Dividend on ASB investment and other financial institution are non-taxable. So if you calculate the dividend on income, it will appear in the cash flow as a cash inflow, but must be omitted in the calculation of tax. Okay, so the car depreciate at 15% per annum, and then the life expectancy or the mortality age is about 80 years old. Okay, brothers and sisters, I think until here we will continue in the next video. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Bye.
Got nowhere to go, just stay at home. Can I go out today? I wanna go and play, but cannot simply roam, so I stay at home. Make music with my comb. I don't understand why